Hi, it's Marianne Wilson here with Next Home in the Triangle, here with Spencer Parks at Advantage Inspections. And we're here doing a septic inspection for one of my clients today. So tell me, what are you checking today?
Today I'm checking the septic system. It's a traditional tank. It has two chambers, an inlet and an outlet side. I'm going to check the solids inside the tank to see if they're past the 1/3, the upper crust and lower sludge, which the state recommends that's when it should be serviced. I'm going to check to see if the tank has a normal effluent level. We're going to locate the distribution box, open that up, make sure it's structurally intact, there's no solids, check making sure there's proper flow, and then just going to walk the drain field to make sure there's no issues with that.
All right, and so what are some of the most common things you find that need repair or attention when you're doing a septic inspection for a new buyer?
So typically, a lot of people, septic system is kind of out of sight, out of mind, so they don't really think about it until there is an issue. So some things that you can do is pump it every 5 to 6 years, which that's what the state recommends. As well as there's a filter on the outlet side on newer tanks. Older tanks have baffle walls, which are traditionally, if they're not pumped or serviced properly, then that baffle wall can be deteriorated and that will need a repair, which I typically find.
All right, and so what about other things that are important when you have a septic system? What can you do as far as your backyard goes? Is it all usable, or what do you recommend?
Yep, so as long as you maintain the area of the drain field, meaning you don't drive over it, you don't let it overgrow, you don't plant large trees or shrubs over top, that kind of prevents any roots or anything from, and then as far as if you have roots in the lines, that can restrict flow and cause issues as well.
All right, thank you. Is there anything else you think is important about septic systems for us to know?
Don't build pools on top of it, don't build your decks, and you should be good.
All right, well, thanks so much, Spencer. Really appreciate it.